Yo, what's going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this My Singing Monsters mod APK and also cheat and hack for both iOS and Android. Now, if you guys can see on your screen, I'm just screen recording on my iPhone right here. As you guys can see, we've got unlimited coins, unlimited gems, and unlimited food in the My Singing Monsters mod APK. This is going to be working as of 2024, the latest update. So if you guys want to go ahead and do this, keep following along. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't need a computer. And this is basically just everything on iOS and Android, basically for free. And I'm going to show you guys basically how to do this. It's not going to take too long. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to show you right now. So let me go ahead and turn on my screen recording so it faces up here. You guys should be able to see it. So obviously, guys, we have the app installed. So what you want to do is head over here and type in My Singing Monsters and make sure you have the app installed and updated on the latest game files. Make sure you guys are doing that. It is very, very important, guys. So because this does work on the live servers, and that's going to be very important. So what we can do now is actually go ahead and show you guys now how to install the plugin. Now, what you want to do is head over to Safari or whatever browser you visit. It doesn't really matter, like Firefox. Just make sure you're doing this on a phone, guys. Really, really important you do this on a phone or an iPad. Okay, mainly your phone. You come over here to the address bar. So where you would type in google.com, you want to come to there, where it says search or enter website's name, and you're going to type in this, www. It's called Easy Plugin, so I'm going to spell it out for you, okay? www.easyplugin.com. easyplugin.com, okay? And just press I understand, okay? Go to the search bar and type in My Singing. And you're going to see My Singing Monster plugin, added resources plugin. So this is basically going to get you the coins, the gems, and the food unlocked. So go ahead, tap on that and press start install. And what that's going to do is basically go ahead and actually install the My Singing Monsters plugin, the mod APK plugin, and hack for both iOS and Android. You're just going to simply wait till this is actually finished, and then that's going to go ahead and install it for you guys. So as you guys can see, there is like a black bar there. What you need to do is on the next page, it's going to take you to a page where it's going to say, hey, you need to go ahead and get a couple additional plugin files in order for this plugin to install. You're going to see a YouTube video on the next page. Go ahead, watch that YouTube video. It's going to explain how to get them. They are completely for free, but you need to do 2 to 3 of them for this to work, guys. So make sure you guys are getting 2 of them. They're completely for free. They might take about 5 minutes to install it. But once you guys have got that, you're going to have basically unlimited amount of resources in My Singing Monsters plugin. With the plugin, like I said, unlimited coins, gems, and food. And it's all completely for free. Doesn't cost you anything and is working in 2024. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.